just too late. The horse just flew out of the tree. I think he's a falcon. I've seen him a couple times now. Oh, there's two of them. He was right up in there, that tree. And he screamed and flew away before I could get my phone out. I was up here looking for him the other day. Because it was like a week or two ago, he came and dive bombed the birds in my yard. I haven't seen him in a while. Oh, mercy. A lot of Randal and His murder, but yeah. Messengers. Okay. Check this. I'm just gonna take a picture of this stuff anyway. Might as well just see how I found it. There was snow here last time I was up here, so I was just following Bambi's footprints. Look right there. Poop. So I ended up following Bambi through here. You're new. See, I kept seeing a dog or some sort of footprints. I couldn't figure out what I was looking at. There's a fucking bobcat up here, I think. Like a mountain lion? Or a dog. Because the footprint was... Well, I kind of thought it was you, buddy. That's fresh. Horus might have been eating it, but I don't think he would kill him. Shit, how did I mean, I was right here the other day. That just happened. Shit, cousin. Nature, am I right? Okay, I can do the strong arm, break through the brush, but that's because I got armor on. So, I mean, I don't recommend it. This is I found the water while walking. This shit. Is that ribs? These are ribs right here. Damn it. What the fuck is that doing in the water? Somebody must have cleaned the deer here and then just left it. That's the jaw. Dude, I swear. Okay, so I found a deer and I cleaned it all off. I swear I was missing a jaw. And all of a sudden here. No, this is another deer altogether. Look at this shit. Somebody definitely cleaned it here like a year or two ago. Oh shit, they probably shot it here too. Drinking out of the spring. I started cleaning this up. All these rocks. To get a nice spray. how to get this thing out. I told you I'd be. Now I'm kind of worried because that dude shot this deer from drinking here, and I make this killer spot. He's just gonna come back here and shoot him again. That's kind of my plan. Figure I can get a nice hole dug here, capture the water, so I can come back up and pull it out.